Draw all of your energy in toward yourself. Draw all your attention in toward your breath. Notice, feel, allow, and receive this moment just as it is. Allowing the breath to flow naturally in and out. Allowing your jaw to relax. Your heart to open. And saying something kind to yourself in this moment. Maybe simply, I love you. I care about you. I'm here for you. I'm listening. Breathing intentionally in and out of the nose. Allowing the belly to puff and recede. Allow your eyes and behind your eyes to relax. Allow your legs and feet to open to Mother Earth's vibrations. Allow the spine to lift and the shoulders to drop and release. Allow the belly to soften and deepen the breath, allowing the air to flow in and out of the nose, relaxing your nervous system. This heartbreak does not define you. This moment will pass. These moments of hurt, sorrow, pain, anger, confusion, sadness, fear about the future, all these emotions are like weather. And in every emotional moment, you have the power to focus within. You are powerful beyond measure. You get to decide. This breakup does not define you. You get to notice your body when you're feeling stressed. You get to pay attention to your breath and leverage the power of the inhale and the exhale, allowing yourself to stop that downward spiral and focus on the two things that you can control: your thoughts and your actions. By stopping that downward spiral and paying attention to the body, by practicing daily attention to the breath, and by leveraging your inhales and your exhales, you can stop that downward spiral and learn to spin within and leverage your power. You are powerful beyond any conception that you have. You get to decide. That relationship never defined you. None of the relationships in your life get to define you. You get to decide. You get to decide where you put your attention and your focus. You get to decide to have compassion for yourself today and compassion for that little baby self that was so scared and sad, and for the trauma that you carry whether that's big T trauma or little T trauma. You're in control now, and the adults are here. You get to decide. You get to stop that downward spiral and learn to spin within and focus on those two things you can control. And that begins with simply paying attention to how you're feeling in that emotional moment. No matter what emotions you're having, you can pay attention to the body. You can pay attention to the breath, and you can leverage the breath, allowing the breath to flow in and out of the nose, allowing the breath to nourish all of your cells, to relax you, to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Stop that downward spiral and learn to spin within so you can create that life of inner luxury. You are the medicine and you get to decide. From this relaxed space, what's one thing you're going to change going forward? Just one thing. One positive thing that you're going to choose to tell yourself every day or choose to do for yourself every day. So you can stop that downward spiral and learn to spin within and create that life of inner luxury from the inside out. This is how we build resilience day in and day out. This is how we learn to trust ourselves again by deciding this is what I'm going to do and doing it no matter what. No matter what anyone says, no matter what anyone does, you know that you're going to remain true to you by paying attention to your body and your breath and harnessing that breath so that you can control your life from the inside out. Take a big, deep inhale into the nose, big, deep, full breath in. Put something in your mouth that isn't serving you anymore and let it go with an audible sigh. Again, big, deep inhale into the nose, big, deep, full breath in. Hold at the top. Sip in again through the nose. Sip in again through the mouth. Relax, you're in control. Let something go out your mouth. Audible sigh. Last one, biggest, deepest breath you've taken all day long. Big, deep inhale. Exhale your way, noticing the relaxation that you've cultivated. Scoop up some of this calm and put it somewhere for yourself in an energetic pocket so you can access it later. Notice this calm you've cultivated and make a decision right now about when, where, why, and how you're going to give to yourself again. Maybe it's by pressing play on this meditation once more. You deserve your time. So slowly, maybe peeking one eye open. If you ever come out of meditation and the world feels a little bit wonky, just close your eyes again. You deserve your time. Give to yourself. Allow yourself the time, the space, the energy that you need to come back safely. And when you're ready, and only when you're ready, you can open your eyes.